With the new year coming up fast, brands like Winnebago aren't wasting any time showing off what they think will be some of the hottest RVs out there. And one of the big standouts is the all-new Travato 59K. This Class B is clearly aimed at solo travelers and couples who want something compact, capable, and comfortable. So let's take a closer look at what makes this one worth talking about. Right now, Winnebago's own site doesn't give us a ton to go on visually. But thanks to a full walkthrough from Sunshine State RVs, we can really dig into what this new Travato brings to the table. Starting on the outside, I've got to say, the presentation is sharp. It's built on a Ram chassis, and the whole setup feels ready for adventure right out of the gate. The roof-mounted rail system is a great touch, letting you adapt your cargo setup depending on what you're hauling along. Solar power comes standard and can be expanded. So off-grid travel is very much part of the plan here. And if you want even more independence, there's a 2.8 kilowatt gas generator included as well. Along the passenger side, you'll find a rack-mounted awning that stretches almost the entire length of the van, creating a really inviting outdoor space. Whether you're setting up for meals, laying out surfboards, wrenching on your mountain bike, or just kicking back after a long drive, this area easily becomes an extension of your living space. It's easy to imagine this thing serving as home base for all kinds of adventures. While the exterior has its updates, the interior is really where the Travato 59K starts to shine. Picture this. You've been driving for hours to reach that perfect spot on your map. You finally back up to the edge of a lake or a mountain overlook, making sure the view behind you is absolutely worth it. After stepping out and stretching your legs, you head straight to the rear of the van. That's where Winnebago has placed the wet bath, and it's positioned in a way that makes things a little special. Open up the rear doors, kick off your shoes, and take a quick shower while soaking in the scenery behind you. It's one of those small design choices that feels surprisingly luxurious. Of course, there's a privacy curtain for when you need it, so you're covered whether you're deep in the wilderness or parked a little closer to civilization. The wet bath also connects smoothly with the rest of the interior, so it's easy to access from inside or out. Moving forward into the main living area, you'll find twin couches running along each side of the van. During the day, they create a roomy lounge, and at night, they come together to form a wall-to-wall bed. Up front on the driver's side is a clean, well-organized galley with a flush countertop thanks to lids over the sink and cooktop. You also get a microwave convection oven, a 4.3 cubic foot fridge, and plenty of storage both above and below, with even more cabinetry continuing along the opposite side. The forward lounge area is especially appealing if you're traveling solo or as a couple and still working remotely. Both front seats swivel, and each has its own table, making it easy for one person to eat while the other gets some work done. There's additional storage above the cab, rear rack options for things like e-bikes, and plenty of smart places to stash your gear so everything has a home. Comfort and practicality are handled by the heating and cooling systems, water heater, winterization options, and all the safety tech that comes with the ProMaster platform. The Travato 59K comes in with a GCWR of 12,000 pounds, which is more than enough for light towing if that's part of your plan. As for pricing, Winnebago hasn't listed it directly yet, but Sunshine State RVs reports an MSRP of $192,617 for the 2026 Travato 59K. That's nearly 30 grand less than previous Travato options, which is a pretty big deal. It really feels like Winnebago is listening and adjusting to what buyers want. And if that's the case, this new 59K is definitely going to turn some heads. I know it's got mine.